This lesson is about a quick example for making a whiteboard animation. After clicking Make a Video, you'll see this screen. If you scroll down, in the lower left-hand corner, you see the Whiteboard Animation. We'll select that. This will load the video maker. And after a few seconds, the video maker is fully loaded and it starts loading the various resources that you're going to need. What we'll do first is we'll scroll down and we'll find the background theme that we want to use. I'm going to choose the At the Office, a Conference Room. When you select that theme in the whiteboard animation, you actually get a group of props and characters. These are the characters: a man standing and 3 people sitting on stools. All of these, as you see, are selectable and can be modified and moved, and that is what we're going to get into in future lessons. But first, let's just take a quick look at the central character. I click on the central character. I get an option to choose a number of different gestures and poses and various different ways that character can be displayed. Okay? I'm going to then quickly add a dialogue, and I'm going to use the built-in text-to-speech option. And the text-to-speech is really designed to be a placeholder so that you can record your own voice, or you can hire voices to be used in creating the voices in the video. But the quickest way is to click the text-to-speech and then select a male. I'm going to use an English accent, our English language, and Joey, who has an American accent. I'm just going to type in something. And after I click on that, generate voice, it will then take a few seconds to generate the voice and give me an option to play it.
Now's the time for all good men to come to the aid of their whiteboard.
Now that I've heard that voice, I can add it to my scene, and the first scene is done. Now I want to add another scene because I want to make some changes. I want to have some people move around and other people speak. You can only have one person speak in a given scene. So when I click on Add Scene, I get a new scene with all of the same characters and props in the same positions they were. And now I'm going to select the female. And I'm going to change her pose from sitting to standing and pointing up. And I'm going to add text for her. So I click on Dialogue, Text-to-Speech, Female, English and American, Allison. Just a moment, please. I'll generate that voice.
Just a moment, please.
And add that. And now I'm going to select a new scene created from this one. And I'm going to do 2 things. I'm going to have her move to the left. So I click on her, and then I click on the context menu, Add Movement, and I'm going to have her walk to the other side of the screen. And now I grabbed the destination and drag it to the left, and notice that I get alignment lines that let me align the feet with the other characters. Now I've got her movement. I'm going to add text to voice here, text to speech, and I'll say, go ahead.
Go ahead.
Okay, I'm going to add one more scene. And now you can see it's the resulting position. So first I'm going to change her pose from just standing straight up to pointing. And notice that she's pointing to the left, so I select her again, and I click on the context menu flip so that she points the other way. And now I'm going to add a dialogue, text to speech, and have her say, now that I have your attention,
Now that I have your attention.
add that voice. And now I'm through with this part of it, and so I'm going to save. Give it a name. And this is part of my Udemy course. Example of whiteboard animation. Save. And when it comes back, I'm going to click on Preview.
Now is the time for all good men to come to the aid of their whiteboard.
Just a moment, please.
Go ahead.
Now that I have your attention.
And we're done.